How small business can survive the lockdown. Hi everyone, welcome to this new video on how your business can survive this lockdown. I divided this video into 4 areas that you need to look into. Now, number 1 is to create cash flow. Now, how can you create cash flow? First, you can start to do brainstorming with your team and look at what your competition is doing and to be better than them. If they are doing something that is working, just copy them and see what you can evolve from there. And come up with an action plan. What are you going to do in 3 months' time, 6 months' time, or 12 months' time? So all this forms the different action that you need to take and make sure that someone is actually in charge and overseeing the whole thing. Now you can also do complementary trades. For example, right now movies industry is not doing well, or no one is going to watch movie. If the movie industry actually have a channel online, like for example Netflix, they would actually have some revenue keep going in to their business. You can actually look into what are the complementary trade that your business currently doing that can help your customer. And by doing your first step brainstorming, you should be able to come up with some complementary trade that you can assist your customer. And next is to look into what are the new services that your business can pivot. For example, the gym industry, we can't go to the gym anymore. So it's either you do your home gym or you attend some gym program through the online. Some other services that you can actually hop on into is like, could you provide some kind of online training to your customer? Some kind of online meeting your customer to understand in terms of the project that they are going to do. How far behind, or can they launch their products on time or not? So these are services that you can think of to help to create the extra cash flow. And at the same time, you can also provide your own consultational services to them. Next is to look into social research. Now, as a small business, you can actually look into where your customer is coming from. For example, are they from Facebook or are they from Instagram? And what is their age group? So by knowing where your customer is coming from, you can better target your customer using advertisement or marketing efforts. And how much time do your customers spend on all these platforms? And where your brand is actually mentioned a lot. So all this information, if you have at hand, it allows you to craft a better message for your audience. And in terms, you are ahead of your competitors during this period. Next is online branding. Now is a very good time for you to build up online brands. If you don't have a website, you don't have a Facebook page, it is the best time now to start. You can build a following right now by asking your customer to go to your page to like, or go to your group to join in, and daily you can share some of the tips and experts knowledge with them, and at the same time keep your customer aware of the latest that's going to happen to your business and to keep your customer close to you. At the same time, you are also marketing to them, but just that you do not need to spend a lot of money to keep acquiring new customer. And you could also conduct an online webinar to teach your customer something. If you have physical product to sell them, why not do a Facebook live show? This is the fastest and easiest way to sell products. And last, always keep your customer updated with things that you can publish on your website, mailer, or emails. If you already have a Facebook group, you can easily do it by broadcasting to all your customers. So these are the 4 areas that you can actually leverage on and make use of the time now to improve your business. If you like this video, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.